What is up, you guys? So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I transform the fuck out of my hair. So this is my natural hair, cute or whatever. I'm going to show you guys how I blend my short blunt hair into my long 26-inch extensions, honey. I thought I could just never wear my hair extensions straight because, you know, you have those like little hairs that are just like, ooh, it just does not look cute. But I figured out a way to camouflage that, and it looks like you just have Rapunzel ass hair, and it's amazing.
You can do it too.
So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. All the things you're gonna need, pretty simple. You're gonna need a hairbrush to brush your hair and a straightener. You're just gonna need a clip or something to section off your hair. You're also going to need some hair oil or product, whatever you need personally for your hair to make it look shiny, pretty, smooth, all that goodness. And if you guys have these small elastics, I recommend you get a few of those. I actually lost mine. This is my only one. And also for just demonstration purposes, it might be easier. I'm just gonna use these big ass hair ties, and you're gonna need some bobby pins. They're just your regular bobby pins. And then obviously you're going to need your hair. These are from Glam Seamless, you guys. She looks a little raggedy, but we're going to clean her up, install this hair, clip in this hair, and you guys are going to... All I do is I just get this top section of my hair, that space where my eyebrow and my eye is, and I'm just gonna clip up my hair. And this is just gonna be all of your natural hair that's gonna show. And you're gonna be left with a lot of hair. So this is all the parts that don't blend right, no matter how much you like try to style them together with your hair extensions. So the only way for me to really achieve this like unclockable look is if I braid them. I just split it in half, and then I'm just gonna start French braiding. If you guys don't know how to French braid, I'll just link a video down below, but it's actually really simple. You basically just start off with 3 sections, and then you're just gonna kind of grab the hair towards the scalp as you go down. And obviously you're gonna just finish it off like that. And then what I do is I just try to get it as far as I can to the bottom. And then again, preferably use these small rubber bands, but I'm just going to tie it off. And before I like tie off the very last part, I kind of loop it like this. So that's how I secure that. And then same on this side. You're just gonna French braid it downward. Okay, so same situation. You're just gonna tie it off, and then I'm just gonna loop it. Now you have these cute little braids. So the idea is we're just gonna hide all the hair, going to smush all the braids in the back of my head. There's no like way I'm doing it, it's just wherever there's like no braid, that makes sense, you're gonna put braid in there. I'm just gonna start securing the braids as flat as I can onto my head. And then I'm pretty generous when it comes to how many. So once you feel like that foundation is like really good, now you have like the top part. I know this came undone, but I'm just going to use that to like cover. It didn't work here, but the reason why I secured it like that is so that if the hairs were kind of like out, it'd be easier to see it. It's like more clean looking if you don't secure it like this. And then I just kind of feel around for any of the parts that like just need more securing. So now this is the foundation where you're gonna clip.
No.
The majority of your clips. So Now when I release this, like whatever's left of my hair, it's still short obviously, but it's gonna be a lot easier to blend this with the extensions that we do have. And what's also nice about it is that since your hair is up, you know how sometimes like hair extensions, especially if they're long and on like the back of your neck all the time, like it just gets really sweaty. Since you have this back layer away from your neck, it feels a lot cooler when you have hair extensions, so I like it. Now the goal here is just to kind of cover the perimeter of your head. I'm going to get the 3 clip wefts at the very bottom, so I'm gonna just like put it kind of low. Okay, and then now I'm gonna do 4 clip weft, and you're gonna put that right above it. I basically clipped the edges on my actual scalp, whereas the 2 in the middle, I clipped it onto the braid. Now I'm pretty much done clipping hair extensions on the braid, so now we're going to move upwards to our actual hair. So this is the fun part because this is where it starts to all come together. Typically, you know, this is how my hair looks, but now we want to start blending the hair extensions. We did like this section, and now we're gonna do like the tippy tops of our eyebrows. Ow. Obviously, like my sections are not clean by any means. I'm just doing the best that I can. You're going to cover the perimeter of your head with the remaining wefts. This is the biggest weft that I have. Just getting the middle. So now we are just going to start clipping outwards. Now the sides are still exposed, obviously. We want to cover these shorter pieces. We just like go, I guess you could say, a centimeter above where we were. The beautiful thing about these extensions, they're the Invisitape ones, so they're really thin. So I'm actually gonna put it pretty close to the front of my head. And she is covered, bitch. Same thing. So you guys can see here, like this is where it cuts off, and we're gonna cover it by just going in the front. Like, look at that, you cannot see it anymore. I have two clip wefts left, and I'm just going to assess what parts need it the most. I haven't styled my hair yet, so it will look a lot better once I do. And because these are so thin, you can get away with putting them like up there, you know? Because if you had like normal extensions, it might be more visible, but like, look, like, are you kidding me? Sorry guys, my camera died. All I did was I just clipped the other two clip weft on this side. And here's another hack for you guys. So if you have any hair extensions, particularly for these Invisi clips, like these really thin weft hair extensions, I noticed a lot of companies, for whatever reason, they don't make this part matte. I just get some Vaseline and I apply it on this part, like the shiny part. I apply it as a base, and I just get a matte black color in another brush, like a flat shader brush, and I will just go over it, and I will literally just cover that whole part. And the Vaseline, like, I thought it didn't do anything. I was like, okay, I could just put eyeshadow straight on. If you put a base for the shadow to adhere to, it really makes it black. Like, it's super dark, and if you really wanted to, you could like use this and blend it even more. But the products that I use, I just use a heat protectant spray. This is from Bumble & Bumble, and I just spray it. I put an oil like so, and I'll just put it on the ends before I straighten. My method, I just get my hairbrush, my straightener, and I slowly just go down. You can see how long this hair is. It's like that, but alright you guys, so this is the final result of my hair after straightening it and doing all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Stay safe out there, and God bless.